Redeeming your American Express Amex points for flights is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to utilize your Amex points for booking flights. To begin, you'll need to access your Amex account by logging into their website. Once logged in, proceed to visit the American Express Travel Online platform. You can easily find this platform by searching for American Express Travel Online on your preferred search engine. Upon reaching the website, navigate to the flight booking section. Here you'll have the option to explore different flight packages and bookings. After selecting your preferred flight, proceed to the checkout process. During checkout, you'll be prompted to apply your Amex points towards the booking. Ensure that you are logged in with your Amex account to facilitate this step seamlessly. Finally, complete the checkout process to confirm your flight booking. With these simple steps, you'll successfully redeem your Amex points for flights and enjoy your travel experience hassle-free. I hope you find this guide helpful in making the most out of your Amex points for flight bookings.